with lightweight champion Ilia Topuria announcing that he won't be fighting in January in the first quarter of 2026, Dana White officially announced the matches for UFC 324, 325, and what will happen to the UFC lightweight division. The first main event of the year for UFC 324 on Paramount Plus will be Justin Gaethje versus Paddy Pimblett for the interim lightweight championship. Honestly, I want to see Justin Gaethje win and have our second reign with the interim lightweight championship. It's crazy because his reigns as lightweight champion are all interim. But I think we're going to have Paddy Pimblett win this one, and once Ilia comes back, we're going to have Paddy Pimblett versus Ilia Topuria for the lightweight championship. Co-main event for the World Bantamweight Championship, Kayla Harrison versus the returning Amanda Nunes. This is a match that Kayla Harrison wanted for like months or even possibly for years already, and she already got it. Amanda Nunes comes out of retirement, Hall of Fame legend, like women's bantamweight GOAT, women's fighter GOAT. But yeah, this is going to be a good fight, and I think I might go with Amanda Nunes for this one. We also have Sean O'Malley versus Song Yadong. Eric Lewis returns and faces Waldo Cortes Acosta. Allen versus Gene Silva. The prelims will be having Umar Nurmagomedov versus Davison Figueiredo, and Alexa Grasso versus Tagros Namajunas. Honestly, it's just an okay card for the start of 2026. Badly wanted a Paddy Pimblett versus Ilia Topuria or Justin Gaethje versus Ilia Topuria to start the year, but it's okay. We'll be getting it down the line. Prayers for Ilia Topuria for whatever he's going through right now. This card is going to be good, I think. For UFC 325, our main event is going to be Alexander Volkanovski versus Diego Lopez Part 2. I cannot wait for this match. I'm a huge fan of both of these fighters. I was also very happy to see that after the loss to Volk, Diego Lopez came back and showed why he is the #1 contender after defeating Gene Silva by knockout in UFC Noche. So I can't wait for this match.